Don't mind my hair right now. It's been rough. Tried out some new hair products. Terrible. So, anyway. Hey guys, it's Jasmine here and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday, and it's going to be more laid back, more on, the laid back side. And I'm actually going out today. I'm actually going somewhere, so I'm not going to do as a dramatic look. I'm going to my grandma's birthday dinner. And so I'm also vlogging, so I mean on Thursday that will be posted, so stay tuned for that. But anyway, so I'm not sure what I'm doing yet, but it's the day that you guys will see this video will be the day before Valentine's Day, so I'm going to incorporate some pink into this look. And I got some new lipsticks, and I'll tell you about them in the video. This is going to be on voiceover, so if you guys like those kind of videos, and if you're excited for seeing what I create and what I do on my face today, then keep on watching. To start out, I'm doing my eyebrows with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And I did my eyebrows earlier today, but I washed my hair and did my hair, and so my eyebrows are kind of messed up. So I did them again, and then to prime my face, I'm using the Benefit Pore Eraser Primer, and I'm just massaging this into my skin. And then for foundation, I'm using this Revlon foundation stick, and I've used this like once before, and the first time I used it, it was not that full coverage, and so I wanted to put a lot on, and I tried it out with a brush. So today I tried it out with a sponge, and it was a lot more full coverage, and so I liked that. And so this foundation really works well with a sponge. I feel like a brush soaks up most of the product, and so I'm really liking this foundation now with the sponge. And it's also like almost a perfect shade for me, so I'm loving that. And then for concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I'm actually using two concealers today, so I'm putting that one on first, and then putting a teensy bit of the LA Girl Pro Concealer just to brighten up my eyes a little bit and add a little bit more coverage, but not too much. And then I'm just blending that out with my beauty blender. Alright, now to set my under eyes, I'm using the Airspun powder, the regular one, and I like to put some on the back of my hand just to take some off the sponge and then put it underneath my eyes. And to set the rest of my face, I'm using the LA Girl Pro setting powder, and I just press this all into my skin and then also wipe off my bake with the same brush just to make sure I don't have like a white cast or anything underneath my eyes, and everything is blended out nicely. And I had a little dance session. I was listening to some good music. And then for contour today, I'm using the Fit Me powder in Mocha, and I love this powder. It's just a great shade to bronze up and contour my face at the same time. So I love this, and I'm using my favorite contouring brush. It's by Bare Minerals. I don't know the exact name. And then I'm also contouring my nose with an e.l.f. brush. And then for eyeshadow today, I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation palette, and I'm starting out with this pink-ish color. It's kind of like a muted pink color, and it wasn't that pigmented. I kind of regretted it after I put it on, but I tried to work with it. And these colors are not as pigmented as I'd like, but I worked with them. And then next, I'm using this brown from the palette, and this brown is actually pretty good. I liked it a lot more than the pink shade. I've used this palette on my channel before, but it was just not digging it for me today, so I went with the Modern Renaissance palette and used that pink shade, I forgot the name right now, and I put that over top of the two shades just to blend everything together, make it look more pink, and bring more color to the look. And I definitely like this look a lot better with more pink, and I'm so happy I did that. And here am I again singing along with my favorite songs. And then I'm putting this really pink shimmery shade on my lid, but it was really powdery, and it was very ashy. It wasn't that pigmented, it was just ashy and powdery, so it wasn't the best shade. And I decided to put the lighter color that is on top of that. Put the lighter color in the palette, the shimmery color, right on top of my lids today, so just to add more color. It kind of added something, but it wasn't the greatest choice of shimmer today. But I also was just going out to dinner, so it wasn't that bad. And then I also put some in my inner corner just to give a pop of color. And then I put some of that pink shade underneath my eyes today just to make the look, blend it out and make it look nice. And then I'm putting on mascara. This is by Maybelline, this mascara. And then I go ahead and put on some lashes. And the lashes that I put on today are by Ardell. They're the very natural lash. I don't know, I got them in this packet, so I don't know the exact name of them. And then for blush, I think, close to Valentine's Day, so I wanted to get a really pop of color blush. And so this color by Ulta is gorgeous for that. It's very rosy, and I love this color. And then for highlight, my signature highlight, the Milani highlighter in Strobe Light. And I put on a little bit too much today, but, it was alright. I love this color. It's very champagne-y, goldy type color. And then for setting spray, this one's by Milani, and this gives your face a very natural finish. And then I fanned my face with this fan from my friend's quinceañera. And then I like to press the setting powder into my face with a sponge. And then I take off my hairnet, fix my hair. And now for the lipsticks. And these lipsticks are by Lipdar, and I got them in a giveaway that I won by Kayla Simone. She did the giveaway on her channel, and thank you so much, Kayla Simone. I really love the lipsticks. They are gorgeous colors, and they felt really smooth and silky on my lips, and they were very pigmented. And I decided to put on the lighter color first, and then put the darker color on the outer corners of my lip to make an ombre effect.
I'm finished with my makeup. The eyes kind of turned out okay. This palette by Maybelline, I like the highlighters in it, but the eyeshadows are not as pigmented and as nice. So yeah, I forgot about that. And so they didn't turn out as good as I would like them to, but it's alright. And so the lips ended out to be the star of the show today. I got the color Unimpressed and Boss Lady. So I love these colors. Thank you so much, Kayla. I love your videos. Thank you so much. And so that ends this tutorial Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And stay tuned till Thursday. I got a vlog, and I'm vlogging at the birthday dinner. So yeah. If you guys want to follow me on social media, then it'll be linked down below. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!